Hello,
Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Leonie.
hello, can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you. Can you hear me and see me okay?
No, yes,
Oh, fantastic. Excellent. Is your name Sassy?
yes, my name is Ceci. What is your name?
Leonie.
Laini. Okay, nice to meet you, Laini. I am so happy to see you in online now.
Yes, lovely to meet you and to see you. Where are you from?
I am from India. What about you?
I'm from the UK.
UK. Okay. Which state? Can I know?
In the southwest.
Okay.
And you, what part of India are you from?
I am from in Andhra Pradesh state.
Okay, perfect. And how long have you been on Cambly?
Just 2 days back.
And how's it going
I
so
am
far?
new to this Cambly app.
Excellent. Are you enjoying it at the moment?
What?
Are you enjoying it? How are you finding
Yeah,
Cambly?
yeah, I am enjoying.
Fantastic. What's the reason for you joining Cambly?
Yeah, I want to learn English, mostly speaking English.
Mhm.
And can you tell me some tips? How do I learn and how do I speak English fluently?
Well, just speaking in terms of practicing, obviously, is the four skills: listening, speaking, reading, writing. It's
Okay,
just a case with the speaking, really listening to lots of things in English for word order, for vocab, for different words. Do you listen to anything in English at the moment?
okay.
What do you listen to in English now?
Uh, I am not listening.
So if you listen to things such as like radio, TV, film, podcasts, all of
Okay,
these are really good.
yeah, I see in books and mostly mobiles. I am
Ah,
not interested, and I am not interested in film.
okay.
I have interest in books.
In reading, right. And how about the radio? Do you like listening to the radio?
What?
Do you like listening to the radio?
Yes.
Right, so that would be very good as well for improving your English. And what's the reason for you wanting to improve your English?
Yeah, I am going to foreign USA like UK. I have goal and my aim and dream to go outside foreign states. Side.
Ah,
Yes.
and when would you like to go there?
Yeah, mostly this is not possible for corona effect.
Yeah, right now, yeah, it's not
Yeah.
possible.
Oh yes. And I have some small baby, like 2 years baby.
Ah, very nice. A boy or a girl?
Yeah, she's sleeping now.
Will you take her with you when you go?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. And what do you want to do when you
So,
go?
can you please tell me some more tips how I improve my English,
Yeah,
like
sure.
speaking only.
Speaking is just a case of practicing to
And
people.
I okay, tell me.
Yeah, case of practicing to people on Cambly,
Okay,
speaking to anyone that speaks English. So whether that's in your house or nearby in a language exchange,
okay,
you can also listen to audiobooks and repeat them through transcript script as well. You said you like books, so audiobooks are very good for practicing listening and speaking.
suggest me some books.
Suggest some books in English.
Okay,
What sort of books do you
Arabic.
like?
Yeah, I am not no about no.
So if you go onto the website audible.com, you get
Okay,
loads and loads of lists of books. You can sort it by genre and go that way.
okay, okay. I have fashion, but I am not possible to uh, uh, learn English now because I have small baby.
Right, I
So it
see.
is the one of okay.
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 Yeah. Is there anything else that you'd like to ask me?
Yeah. Okay. You suggest me. Please listen
Yeah.
audiobooks. Yeah. Can you suggest me any website?
Apart from audible.com,
Okay.
so that's the most popular one. You can get lots of free ones on that. You
Okay.
can also go onto Amazon and they have
Okay.
audiobooks on there as well. You can also go onto this website. Let me just get it for you.
Okay. 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 Thank you so much for your calling. You listening my call
No,
now.
you're welcome. You're
So my
welcome.
time is out. My time is out.
Okay, fantastic. Lovely to meet you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so
Bye.
much. Bye bye. See
See
you
you soon.
soon.
Bye.
Bye.